Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can turn off your iPhone 14. So to actually do it and how you can do it, there is like a really simple method. So on the right side you see this button, right? On the left side you see volume up, volume down. And what do you want to do? Is just easily hold at the same time the volume down with the on the right side the button. So hold it still on both and release. And here you're gonna have slide to power off, and this is pretty much it how we do it. So again, let's cancel here, and again volume down, okay, and the button on the right side, hold both still, and you would press here slide to power off. And that's pretty much it how you can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.